Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Mitsuri's hair from Demon Slayer on Dress to Impress. I did use a lot. You don't have to use all of it, but it makes the hair. So I used a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's get started with the hairs. The first one is this braid over here. It's in the braid section. It is this one. Color it BDD076. And then 668754. And then BDD076 again. Position the X at 0.55. Y 0.37. Z 0.57. Rotate the X to 0.53. And scale it to 0.48. Next, use the braid next to it in F0B, FCB, and E98B94. Default, position the X to 0.51, Y 0.48, rotate the X to 0.51, and scale it to 0.58. Then I use this hair, is it in wavy? I don't think it's in any categories. You'll have to search it annoyingly. There's this one here in BDD076 and 668754. In No Banks toggle, position the X to 0.52, Y 0.33, Z to 0.53, rotate the X to 0.54, and scale it to 0.24. Go to bangs and use this one right here in the color, BDD076 and 668754. Position the X to 0.54, Y 0.49, Z 0.4, rotate the X to 0.57, Z to 0.54, and scale it to 0.44. Then you're going to grab this hair in the color BDC B73, 677152, and 818E50. Position the Y to 0.14, Z to 0.6, rotate the X to 0.55, and scale it to 0.44. Grab these bangs here, this one, and color it BDD076. Position the X to 0.46, Y 0.47, Z 0.37, rotate the Y to 0.43 as well as the Z, scale it to 0.21. Two more hairs, guys. Grab this hair in F0B, FCB, and E98B94 in the No Bangs toggle. Position the Y to 0.46, rotate the X to 0.52, Y to 0.51, and scale it the same. Grab this hair in F0B, FCB, and E98B94. Position the Y to 0.59, Z to 0.52, rotate the X to 0.51, and scale it to 0.32. Lastly, we're going to grab this hair from the Lady Gaga collection, color it F0B, FCB, and E98B94. We're going to position the Y to 0.49, Z to 0.57, rotate the Y to 0.49, and scale it to 0.43. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!